In this question, our aim is to find out the angle between two vectors, that is minus 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap, and the another vector. So if you would like to find out the angle between two vectors, always we'll use this concept that a vector dot b vector is equal to ab cos theta. So we can write the value of this cos theta as equal to a vector dot b vector divided by magnitude of a and magnitude of b will give the value of cos theta. From that we can find out the value of theta. But in question, you can observe that here they are not exactly asking the value of angle, but they are just asking to find out the obtuse angle or acute angle. Obtuse angle means the value of theta is greater than 90 degree. Acute angle means the value of theta is less than 90 degree. And right angle means the value of theta is equal to nothing but 90 degree. So how we'll decide that? So in the theory part we already discussed, so most of you people knowing that how to find out the answer for this. We need to find out the value of a vector dot b vector. We know that a dot b is equal to nothing but ab cos theta. Over here this a and b are magnitude of a vector and b vector, and that is not going to be a negative value. It's always a and b are positive values. But the value of a dot b can be a positive value or negative value or zero value, depends upon what about the value of cos theta, because that cos theta can be positive, negative or zero. So if cos theta is positive, then a dot b is positive, and if a dot b is positive, then we can say that the value of cos theta should be positive, or the value of theta should be less than 90 degree. Now, if the value of a dot b is negative, that is possible only when this cos theta is negative. Cos theta is negative, then theta is greater than 90 degree, or when theta is on the second quadrant. And a dot b is equal to 0 when cos theta is equal to 0. That is possible when theta is equal to 90 degree. So this type of questions will be based on this concept. So over here we need to find out what about the value of dot product of these two vectors. So we are having a vector, something like this, and this is our second vector, and our aim is to find out what about the dot product of these two vectors. So let's say this is a vector dot b vector. So we know how to find out the value for it. Says minus 2 into 2, that is nothing but minus 4. Then another term is 3, and 3 into 2, that is plus 6. And the other term is minus 1 into minus 4, that is going to be minus 4. So we can write the answer that we are going to get over here is nothing but minus 8 plus 6. So that means it is equal to minus 2. So it indicates that the value of cos theta should be negative. Cos theta is negative, that means theta should be greater than 90 degree, or it should be an obtuse angle.